Hey, Dana here. Welcome to my vlog. And this is day trading, and it's the last vlog for 2017. It is the week of December 25, and it's been a challenging year for trading. Basically, all I did this year was buy up stocks. I managed to have 2 stocks that traded through the year, and unfortunately one of them traded just not too long ago, and it made me money, but I wound up holding out too long on that stock. I sold it at $3.20 a share. Well, after I did that, I held out. It came down to $3, and then it dropped to $2.89. But I was waiting for it to come back down to like $2.50 to $2.20, and it didn't do it. And it closed today at $4.20. What kind of, that's just the way it happens. So I used that money. I had used that money earlier because I waited so long. It was already a week, and it just sat there. So I went ahead and used that money on another stock, and that did buy up. But that might have been a clue that it didn't move for 2 weeks, and it might have been time to go ahead and buy it up again at that cost. But you never know. You're playing with stocks. It's a gambling game. I made $200 this year on that. I bought just over 1,400 shares on a total of 7 different companies. So I look forward to doubling that in the coming year, and of course doubling my profits in the coming year. So that was basically the highlight of Friday of today. And in closing for 2017, I am $235 in the hole, or a negative status on 4 out of my 6 stocks. So can't complain. The other ones are starting to come up, and we'll have to wait and see what happens in 2018. My goal is just to continue to buy stock, and then when I do sell it, then I'm making a decent profit. You really don't make that much money when you have 100 shares. You really want to push to have a good substantial amount of stocks. You get $1,000 shares of each stock, and then when it climbs, you're making a substantial amount of money, especially when you set it at your sell cost. But again, it's money that you have to be able to afford to lose, because like I said, there was one company that I'm in, that I invested in, was a $60 a share company, and it dropped to $5 in less than 24 hours, and it has not recovered. In fact, well, that company is right now at $12.24. That's a big that's a big drop in shares. And in fact, another example is the company that I work for. That was a $60 a share company, and within a week it dropped to 30. We weren't happy. So and that appeared to be the change of presidents. So that can happen too when companies change hands. But those are two examples of you need to be able to take the risk in losing your income. And currently, I am looking into ways that are a solid investment that you won't lose your money. So, and right now, the new year, I'm going to be working towards starting a new savings account, and it's based on whole life insurance with an index. So they say that is an average of between 4 and 6 interest annually. So I'm looking into that with future savings, and that's basically you may have heard it under cash flow banking, 770 through the tax system, or being your own bank or bank on yourself. So stay tuned for that, and that'll be under my financial side. So, and I'll put it under, and I'll just leave it under day trading. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. You have a fantastic New Year's, and we will see you in 2018.